Best of 21 who will win? Hands on gear. Start. Hands on gear. Start. 1-1. Hands on gear. Start. Hands on gear. Start. Now 4 games are over. Lavik 2, Arush 1. Hands on gear. Start. 5 games are over. Lavik 3, Arush 1. Hands on the gear. Start. Now 6 games are over. Lavik 3, Arush 1. Right? Hands on the gear. Now 6 games are over. Because the sixth game was punishment because Lavik pressed before the start. So now you have a 3 run. 7 games are over. Lavik 2, Arush 1. Right? And then gear. Start. Now 8 games are over. It is 2 each. Hands on gear. Start. Now totally 9 games are over. Arush 3, Lavik 2. Hands on gear. Start. Now match is becoming tense. 10 games are over. Lavik 3, Arush 3. Hands on gear. Start. 11 games are over. Lavik 4, Arush 3. Hands on gear. Start. Now 12 games are over. It's 4 each. Hands on gear. Start. 13 games are over. Arush 5, Lavik 4. Hands on the gear. Now 14 games are over. Arush 5, Lavik 4. Hands on the gear. Start. Now 16 games are over. It is Arush 6, Lavik 5. Hands on the gear. Start. 17 games are over. It is 6 each. Hands on the gear. Start. 18 games are over. It is 7 Arush, Lavik 6. Hands on the gear. Start. 19 games are over. It is 8 Arush, Lavik 6. Hands on the gear. Start. Now it's 20 games over. Arush 8, Lavik 7. Hands on the gear. Start. Arush has won by 8 races to 7 races to Lavik.